Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Physics, where we actually learn the physics. So in this video, we are gonna see what are the conversion factors between degree, minute, second and radian. These are all what? Nothing but the units of measurements of a plane angle. Okay, so already in the one of our previous videos we have seen, okay, what is a degree, okay, what is a minute, what is a second and what is a radian, and how do we actually define it. Okay, so everything we have already seen in that previous video very much in details. Okay, so if you have not checked that, you can go and check that also. Okay, this video is for those who just want the conversion factors between them. Okay, for those people who already know a lot about degree, minute, second, radian. Okay, then for those people, this is the video in which I am going to talk about the conversion factors, okay, between degree, minute, second and radian. That means, for example, 1 degree equal to how many radians, 1 second is equal to how many radians. Okay, all these things we are going to see in this lecture. Okay, if you want details of each and everything, go and check my previous video on the plane angles, where I have talked about each and everything. Okay, so anyways, now let's see what are the conversion factors between these four. First of all, I start with this degree, minute and second. So the conversion factor between these three are nothing but 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, remember that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, these are the symbols, okay, for minute and for second. Okay, so just remember these two relations. These are very important over here. Okay, now we move to the very important one, that is degree and radians. Okay, what is the relation between them? So it's very simple. See, 180 degree is equal to pi radians. Okay, pi radian, or we can say 180 degree is equal to, what is the value of pi? It is 3.14. so the relation would be somewhat like this. Okay, so this is the relation between 180 degree and radians. Okay, degree and radians have been related here. Now what we will do is, we will find out what is 1 degree. Okay, what is 1 degree in radians. Okay, so this is the sufficient equation for us from which we can find out all the relations. Okay, so you just need to remember this equation, nothing else. Okay, just remember this, that's it. Okay, everything else will automatically follow. So let's divide this now. First of all, I will find out what is 1 degree equal to, how many radians. Okay, so over here from this equation we can write 180 times 1 degree, right? We can write this in this manner also, 3.14 radian, right? We can write it in this way also, or we can write this as 1 degree is equal to 3.14 divided by 180, okay, radian. Okay, so we can do this calculation also, and we can actually find out, okay, we can find out what is this 1 degree into radians. Okay, so what I will do is, I will use my calculator and I will find this value for you. Okay, so it is 3.14 divided by 180, and that value comes out to be, yes, it is 0. See here, 1 degree is equal to 0.0174444. Okay, I'm not writing all that, radians. Okay, so that is the value. Okay, we can do the reverse also. What we can do is, we can find out what is 1 radian in degree. Okay, 1 radian equal to how many degree? We can do that also. So we can just write 1 degree is equal to 0.0174 into 1 radian, right? We can write in this way also, the above equation. from this I can write 1 radian is equal to 1 degree divided by 0.0174. Okay, so from this I can just calculate, okay, using the calci, 1 divided by this number, okay, and we get something like this. Okay, 1 radian is equal to 57.32 degree. Okay, so that is the answer right now. Okay, so in this way we have found out the conversion factor between degree and radians. Okay, now we move to the next one, that is this one, the minute and radian. Okay, that is 1 minute equal to how many radians. Okay, we can find out that also. Okay, so I will just make some space here. Okay, so over here what I am going to do is I will use this equation. Okay, see here, 1 degree is equal to 3.14 whole divided by 180. Okay, that is in radians, right? It is all in radians over here. See, the same equation that I have used over here. Okay, now what you know is, see here, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, isn't it? So we can put that here, 60 minutes is equal to 3.14 divided by 180 radian. Okay, now from this we can write 60 into 1 minute is equal to 3.14 divided by 180 radian. From this I can write 1 minute is equal to 3.14 divided by 180 into 60. Barabar? Just we have divided this. Okay, so 1 minute is equal to this. So we can just calculate this. This equation will give us 3.14 divided by 180 into 60. Okay, so the answer comes out to be yes over here, 2.9074 into 10 raised to minus 4 radian. Okay, so that is the value. Okay, 1 minute is equal to this many radian. Okay, so now we can move further. Okay, and now what we can do is we can do the reverse, that is 1 radian equal to how many minutes. Okay, so that's very simple, just do the same procedure that we did earlier. Okay, something like this into 1 radian, right? We can write in this way also. From this equation I can write 1 radian is equal to 1 minute divided by this number. Okay, so just now divide this 1 divided by this whole number and we get the answer as 1 radian is equal to 3439.49, that is minute. Okay, so we have got this answer. Okay, so in this way we have been able to convert from degree to radians and from minute to radian. Okay, and vice versa also. Okay, now we move to the last one, that is the second. Okay, now I will find out 1 second equal to how many radians and 1 radian equal to how many seconds. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So for this what I will do is I will use this equation right here, this one. Okay, let's use this equation. So over here 1 minute is equal to 3.14 divided by 180 into 60, all in radian. Okay, you can check here, same equation I have used. Now you see here, this 1 second is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? So here this is 60 seconds, 1 minute is 60 seconds, and that is 3.14 upon 180 into 60 radian. Now we can write this as 60 times 1 second is equal to 3.14 divided by 180 into 60, okay, radians. Now from this I can write 1 second is equal to 3.14 divided by 180 into 60 into 60 radian. Okay, now from this we can find out what is the value of 1 second in radians just using the calculator. Okay, so we can just find out this as 3.14 divided by this 180 into 60 into 60, and the answer that we get is this one. Okay, over here 1 second is equal to 4.845 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, 10 raised to minus 6 radians. Okay, so in this way we have got this conversion factor. Again we can do the reverse with the same approach. So over here 1 second is equal to 4.845. there are some other digits also, but I am not writing that right now. You can check that in your calculator. Okay, 1 radian, right? So this into 1 radian, that means the same. So from this I can write 1 radian is equal to 1 second divided by 4.845 into 10 raised to minus 6. So from this I can write 1 radian is equal to, see here, just let's divide this 1 divided by this whole number. Okay, okay, so we have got this answer, and it's a big one. The answer is 206369.42. okay, seconds. Okay, so in this way we have got all the answers that we were looking for. Okay, so in this way we have been able to convert from degree to radians, then minutes to radians, and then seconds to radian, and vice versa, radian to second, radian to minute, and radian to degree. Okay, so all these things have been done. If you look at this, you just need to remember these 3 relations. That's it. If you remember these 3 relations, you can find out anything. Okay, anything, just remember this, and that is not that much hard also. 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. That is a familiar relation for you, your watch. Okay, 1 minute is 60 seconds, so you can remember that. And 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Don't relate that to your watch. little bit different over here. Okay, so but you can remember these relations, this one also. Okay, 180 degrees 3.14 or pi radians. Just use these and now you can find out. Okay, so that's it, isn't it? It was so easy. Okay, and you now know all the conversion factors that you can use anywhere you want, isn't it? So I hope this is pretty clear to all of you. I hope everything is understood properly. If not, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, so for now I should say bye bye. See you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.